Nĩ tabarĩra ĩrarongoreria gũkinyĩra makiria ma arutwo 20,000 thĩinĩ wa thukuru 60 cia muthingi. Ajuma na Senya, ũrĩa niwe mwambĩrĩria wa gikundi kia Ajuma Foundation, agĩtarĩria tabarĩra ĩno ĩkũhũthĩra mũigana wa ciringi milioni 6.
So the first we did a test round, and this year they've committed for a year $60,000, which I am so happy about, because I'm able to reach even more children. So I just want to say thank you so much, Chipakash, and yeah, we're going to do a great job together.
Senya ũrĩa wĩkũranĩire sekta-inĩ ya monanio ma ũthaka augĩte rĩciria kwambĩrĩria tabarĩra ĩno yaumanire na wongerereku wa ciana cia airĩtu gũtiga thukuru nĩguo kũhika mũno makiria kaunti-inĩ ya Turkana kũrĩa aumĩte.
Already in Turkana, there was already kids who had to sit out of school because they couldn't afford just a simple thing as an exercise book. So with the pandemic, I knew this is going to be exacerbated. More children are going to be missing out of school. So I decided to organically, just through friends and family, to raise funding in order to buy these children exercise books.
We have partnered with Ajuma to finance and fund this initiative, and also just to be part of that. A lot of us in our big cities, we do not recognize how difficult it is in some of these areas, because we are holed up in our concrete jungle, and we really don't know what is happening in other parts of the world.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa gikundi kia Chipakash nĩ atũgĩrĩtie tabarĩra ĩno akiuga nĩ gũteithĩrĩria ciana kuma famĩlĩ iria itehotete. Mĩario yake akinyitwo mbaru nĩ mũrutani mũnene wa thukuru wa muthingi wa Morijo.
Sababu ya wafadhili ambao tumewapata leo, unajua ya kuwa elimu katika shule na performance katika shule hii ya Morijo Loita Primary School haitakuwa kawaida, itakuwa improved kabisa, na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu ya upendo wao.
We saw an opportunity to use this project to educate our children about the different cultures. So you'll find in those books, Ajuma has used her capability as a model to model in those books and to have different cultures represented. There is Samburu, there is Turkana, there is the Kikuyu culture.
Kaunti iria ingĩ ikundi ciratanya kũnyagia tabarĩra ĩno nĩ hamwe na Bomet, Nandi, Baringo na Nakuru. Kiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mubi Washige.